best things you can do as an artist when you're working on your composition is copy a master. Today I want to take my inspiration from Hiroshige, and I'm going to take inspiration from this long format, this beautiful Japanese format that is so beautiful. I've got a full sheet of Baohong and I'm going to split it down the middle. I'm going to paint two paintings at the same time because it's just as fast to paint two as to paint one. So Hiroshige was loved by the Impressionists, and you'll find paintings where Van Gogh and other Impressionists have actually copied prints from Hiroshige and other artists of his era. I absolutely love this one. It's called Swallows and Peach Blossoms Under a Full Moon. So we've got this beautiful moon shape. I just love how simple that is. A beautiful bloom within the moon, and it comes down. Then we've got a series of blossoms that come down like this, and two birds. Will I use that one? Or now I'm rethinking that. I think I'll go to one that's more about the flowers, because I've already gone out into the garden and picked some vine. It's from my sweet potato, which is going nuts at the moment. I love that one. I love that one. Oh, where will I stop? This one. Okay. I'm going to get rid of my distracting note to myself. Excellent format for a wall hanging, by the way. So I'm going to put this image to the side, and I'm just going to keep it within my mind's eye while I'm creating these paintings, but I'm going to use a live plant because I love what that does for your inspiration and the way that you paint. I'm going to be thinking about stuff like there is a dominant shape right at the top, then a series of lines, and then there's a secondary shape here, and then it gets thinner and thinner as it goes to the bottom. The other thing that I absolutely love that is really common in these woodblock prints is this gradation. We've got this soft blue gradating up to nothing, and then this soft orange gradating down to absolutely nothing. I think I'll take my inspiration from that. This blue on the bottom and orange on the top, which is the opposite to what I would have done automatically. So I love already that it's making me think a little differently. I've masked out where I want the white flowers and some little highlight, and I was so enjoying myself with my new masking fluid pen that I've just done a video on that I masked out more than I intended, and that's okay. I'm going to get a lovely big brush, fill it with water, and I'm going to paint them the same. So I'm going to do an even application of water on both. So whatever I do on one, I'm going to repeat it on the other, and continue down, reload at the same rate. So I've got a similar water application on both. Reload, reload, and reload. Bottom, we've got this beautiful cobalt. And as I say, I'm painting them the same, coming up. And then I'm going to let the paint just run out as it gets up, and it's just getting lighter and lighter as it comes up. Lighter, lighter, lighter. And this Meaden mop brush is quite good. That's just the same brush load that's taken me all this way. And I'm going to stop it about there, because then I'm going to bring the earthy orange down. I'm just going to double check I haven't missed any little bits. A little bit there, a little bit there. But I like the horizontal strokes, a little bit there. Just fix it up with a horizontal stroke. And as quickly as I can get into the orange, dump that one. Up here we've got the orange coming down. Same up there, and just coming down, and then I'm going to hit the blue, and blue and orange are complementaries, and I'm going to make a beautiful, I'm going to I hope, complementary grey that's smack in between those two colours. Okay, just bringing it down gently. Just continuing to mix. A few stripes there. So I'm going to tip my board around and see if I can get rid of some of that stripy look. Just tip it around, and if it's wet enough, it'll move a bit. And now I'm just going to hold it up like that, just so the colours shift, and upside down as well, and to the side until I get rid of those stripes. Got it on a lovely gentle angle so that any excess moisture is going to come down here, and then I'll hopefully have my eye on it. Two watercolor paintings totally inspired by Hiroshige. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys dropping in and watching my videos. Please give me a thumbs up if you got anything out of the video. See you next time, guys. Bye.